Hey everyone, my name's Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our LLC creation pipeline. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free, and then you're going to want to go to your firm template, your pipelines, and you'll see here under pipeline for LLC creation. So this is what our pipeline looks like. The first thing we're going to want to do is send our invoice, and then we're going to go to our Create Organizer. Let's look at those two templates. So first we have our first we have our job template. This is going to be named LLC creation, and then the job's name is LLC creation. And we have it assigned to our admin role. We're going to click Save and Exit. And we're going to move on to our invoice template. So in most cases, you're going to have a Secretary of State fee. So you're going to want to go ahead and add that on here. And then you're going to want to add your own filing fee. How much do you want to charge for taking care of this for your client? So once you've got all that taken care of, make sure that send an email when you create the invoice. If they've got credits, they can use those credits available. And then you want to set reminders for this invoice. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. We're going to move on to our organizer. So for our organizer, we want to make sure that we are asking for a couple of different name options, just in case that first option is not available. It needs to be a street address, not a PO box. So we're going to make sure we get that information. We want an email address. We need to make sure that we have the primary activity of the company that we are registering, number of owners, will we have employees the first year, and how will the LLC be managed? These are the standard questions that you will need to get your EIN. And then you want to add the information for owners. So you can have all this information for them. And the clients will be able to duplicate this page as many times as needed to add all the members of the business. So you're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit, go back to our pipeline. So our next stage is going to be a task for filing with our Secretary of State and saving our articles of organization. So let's look at those two templates. So for filing with Secretary of State, we want to make sure that we review the organizer, fill out correct state information, and then save that number to a custom field. This is going to be assigned to our admin role. We want to get it done within about a day. Go ahead and click Save and Exit, and we're going to move on to our Save Articles of Organization and Operating Agreements to Firm Upload Documents. Pretty self-explanatory. We just want to save those documents, make sure that we have them on file. This is going to be, again, for the admin role, and we want to get it done the same day that we file with the Secretary of State. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit and go back to our pipeline. Our next stage is going to be filing the EIN. And so you can have your task for filing the EIN and a task for saving that EIN. So let's look at those two tasks. So for filing for the EIN, again, it's assigned to the admin role, and it's assigned to be due in 1 day. And then we have our save the EIN. It's again assigned to the admin role. It's due in 1 day. We want to make sure that we print that letter to PDF. Yes, it will be emailed or mailed out to the client, but they often will not upload that document. You want to save the PDF to the uploaded document, and then you want to add that number to a custom field. Go ahead and click Save and Exit, and we're going to go back to our pipeline. The last stage for our complete stages, we're going to send a message that our LLC was created. So let's go look at that template. This is the reason that we want to make sure that we have everything saved as a custom field. So we have our template name is LLC created. Our subject is your LLC has been created. And then we're going to go ahead and send a message to our clients. We're letting them know that the LLC has been created, what their Secretary of State number is, and what their EIN number is. Letting them know that they need to keep these numbers in a safe place as they will need them in the future. So that's going to be our pipeline for our LLC creation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.